Today, Nikon announces the latest compact prime lens for the Z series. This is the NIKKOR Z 50mm 1.4. Practically every photographer or creator needs a 50mm in their bag, and this lens delivers not only in terms of image quality, resolution, and bokeh, but it's also compact in size and lightweight. But one of the most remarkable aspects of this lens is its affordability. In spite of the large f1.4 aperture, this is the most affordable of all four 50mm Z series lenses in the lineup at the time of announcement. Weighing less than 1 pound and measuring only 3.5 inches long, you can leave it on your camera or have it ready in your bag for whenever inspiration hits. It's great for snapshots and close-up photography, but also incredibly rewarding for portraiture. At f1.4, you can really give your images the look you want. Experience all the benefits of shallow depth of field, translucent bokeh, soft rendering, and three-dimensionality at maximum aperture, and when you want to enhance sharp details such as when capturing cityscapes and realistic textures, simply close down the aperture for maximum resolution and front-to-back sharpness. This lens has a dedicated manual focus ring, as well as a control ring that can be programmed for aperture, exposure compensation, or ISO. And for filmmakers, the manual focus ring supports focus ring rotation function found in compatible Nikon cameras for precise linear focus control. Thanks to the silent STM motor, unwanted operation sounds are minimized, which is ideal when shooting video and recording audio using the camera's built-in microphone. The unique optical design also suppresses focus breathing for organic-looking video with natural shifts in focus position. And for filmmakers using the lens on a gimbal, we've designed the optical construction so that there's only a minimal shift in center of gravity during focusing for consistent balance. Combined with the previously released NIKKOR Z 35mm f1.4, this duo represents a new standard for high-performance, wide-aperture lenses that still deliver remarkable value. The combination of a classic 50mm focal length with the natural yet distinctively wider view of 35mm puts that highly desirable maximum aperture of f1.4 within reach of a broader audience of photographers and filmmakers. Not only that, but both lenses exhibit the attractive optical characteristics that can only be found in the Z mount. All of this in a portable, travel-friendly package. In fact, the size and weight of these new f1.4 lenses are practically the same as the f1.8 models released just a few years ago, but with a significantly brighter diaphragm. If you're ready to explore imagery beyond your standard zoom lens, the new NIKKOR Z 35 and 50mm f1.4 lenses will make shooting your Z camera so much more expressive. For more information on these new f1.4 primes, visit our website.